This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to replace solid state drive to my MSI Bravo 17-inch notebook. So this is one solid state drive from Patriot, 256 gigabyte. I have problem with 1 terabyte of hard drive, so I'm going backward to do this. So you can do with 2 terabyte, or you want to update, you can do the same. The process will be identical. So now we have to flip our computer, and you have to take out all the screw 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 screws you have to take out. So let's do it. So I have taken out all the screw and I saved them here so I will not lose. And I'm gonna use a credit card or this type of plastic card to make some separation of this one, because if you use a screwdriver or something, you're gonna break this one. So better you be careful. So I push this inside, trying to make some separation from the bottom. You can see I'm doing that, and as this all the way. So after doing this all the way, you have to do. And when you take out, see here, and push that side as this, you see. So it will come out very gently, you see, lovely, without breaking anything. You have to be careful. Okay, I think you guys can see properly. We have one screw. We have to lose this one. I have a screwdriver here. I put there. Take this off as this. You can see here it has some rubber sort of thing to hold that. If you want, you can use the old one, and if you don't want, it's not necessary to use. So in this case I'm gonna put nothing. I will just put the drive directly. I have one new. I take this off from the pack. Here we go. Looks similar as other one, or even better. This one is better. This side it has a special coating. This IC is not green, so it's better. It's covered thing. So I put here, you have something, so this hole should match the place. Put exactly as this. Put a soft pressure, goes there. Put the screw that you taken out, and you tight this one. That's all, guys. So this is how you can change your solid drive M.2 drive to MSI Bravo. Now you have to cover this back, and that is all. So this is how you can change your solid state drive to your MSI Bravo Alpha series of notebook. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.